Hello guys, what's up? It's bilumer here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys some of the basic tools that you need to know to basically use worldedit if you're playing on a server or also in single player. There is mods as well. Currently I am only playing in the 1.15.2 update. I'm pretty sure there's also 1.16 out there. I'm not sure. They might have the Forge mod for it. But anyways, let's go ahead and get started. If you're new to my channel, please leave a subscription as usual and like this video as well. Let's get this video to 20 likes. This will be a pretty basic quick tutorial on some of my favorite commands and typical commands that you should know how to use if you're going to be using worldedit on a server. And to get started, basically the first command you're gonna want to know is how to use / wand, which is going to be spawning a wand in your hand. There's alternates to this if you don't use the wand, which I highly suggest using the wand. You can basically, it selects your positions of where you're wanting to edit. You can also use /position1 and /position2, which will basically set the block to whatever block you're staring at. It might be whatever block you're actually standing on. Let's test here. It's actually whatever block you are standing on is what the / position will set you to. This is going to be basically selecting your creation. So let's go ahead and get started just by selecting a small area like this. One of the first commands you're going to want to know after knowing how to select a position is the / set command. Basically, you're going to be setting any block you want within this region. We'll go ahead and just do dirt. As you can see here, all of our selection turned into dirt. And the next step I'm going to want to go into is the walls command. This is basically the best command you're going to want to use if you're building a house or something. But if you're going to go straight to a wall, I suggest clearing out whatever is in the middle. So you can do / set 0 if you have stuff that's in the middle that you do not want there. And then you're going to want to go ahead and type the / walls. And we'll just set it to, well, we can't set it to bamboo because that's a building or a plant block. We'll go ahead and set it to dirt again. And as you can see, it's just a straight around dirt wall. And then getting into that, we're going to go ahead and show you guys how to copy and paste anything you make. So in order to copy and paste, you're going to want to make your selection. Then you're going to want to set yourself up perfectly so you understand where the base block is that you're copying, cutting, and you're going to be pasting here soon. So we're going to be setting up here in this corner. We're going to do the / cut command first. Actually, we'll start with the / copy command first because it'll show you how the cut works here soon. So we just copied it. It also highlights biomes now in the 1.15 update. That is something new, as well as entities. I'm not sure if that's something new that worldedit just added, and that's pretty cool if worldedit just added that. But it's also going to be spawning a lot of mobs if you copy and paste mobs. But as we copied from over there, we're going to go over here and we're going to type / paste. And / paste basically just places the block wherever you were just at. Let's go ahead and / undo. Undo is another command which undoes anything you just did. You can also / redo it to do it again, but we're gonna undo it, and we're gonna go ahead and go down a couple blocks and also paste that as well. As you can see, it just did move, and our selection is still this area, although we just did paste this. So if we still type / cut, it's gonna cut this area, not the area we just pasted. The next command I want to get into is the rotate command. This is very helpful. There's also the flip command. You're going to want to rotate at a degree. So we're going to go ahead and rotate 90 degrees. So instead of it facing this direction, we'll go over here to make it more sense. As it placed this direction, it's going to go ahead and place 90 degrees to the right. As you can see here. I guess I was wrong. Now our selection is different. I don't know. Okay, when we did the / rotate, I'm pretty sure it recopied our keyboard. We're gonna go ahead and recopy this because I don't know what just happened there. That was very ugly. we're going to recopy this, and then we're going to rotate 90 degrees and then / paste. So now, as you can see, it actually worked there. I guess when you do the / rotate, it automatically resets where you're standing. So let's / rotate from here and then paste again. Yeah, so I guess it does rotate from wherever you're standing. It doesn't affect the copy. I do not like that, because the way I've been doing it in the past is just being able to rotate it while I'm moving. So now you have to rotate it and be standing where you want to stand when you're going to rotate it. This is a very different change that they must have added. They also have the flip, and you can flip it horizontal, I believe. No. Okay. For the flip, I don't know how well this works. So we can flip it up. Let's try that. It flipped it upwards 1 block. Okay. And then there's also right and left, as you could see when we did that. Or back, east, north. Is there west? Yes, there's west and south. So you're going to have to get your F3 out and realize which way you're facing. As you can see, it's right over here when I'm not in the chat, facing south, east, west, north. Anyways, after that, I want to get into my next command, which is actually pretty fun. It's also very laggy. This is my favorite command, actually, with worldedit. When I'm just trying to mess around and have fun, I like to mess with people with this command. It is the super pickaxe command, which you type / super pickaxe while you have a pickaxe in your hand. You're going to want to set the area, and that area I believe is 5x5 max. We will try. So as you can see, any block you press, it'll delete that block in the 5 area. Let's try upping it to 10. Yeah, it's max. You can edit the max range in your config, but I suggest not going over 5 because you will lag out the server. So I like using this command to help people find diamonds. Whenever I'm running a server, I like to mess around, have fun, and have fun with the people that I'm playing with. And one way to do that is if I see somebody mining on my server, I like to go join them by helping them with the super pickaxe command. And the way I do that is I basically just do this and take them down to ores and do not delete the ores. Ooh, we found a mine area with ugly water. But I'm going to show you guys how easily it is to hopefully find diamonds. I'm still in F3 mode, I don't know why. It's very dark. Another thing we could also do is / cylinder, which is a pretty fun command. We're gonna / H cylinder. So basically there's a couple different types of like patterns you can make, I guess I'd say. There's a cylinder, there is also, what else is there? Let's look through here. You also generate biomes. Basically, if you do / and you look through here, you'll see what you can develop. There's also the sphere, and there's also the pyramid. And if you add an H before any of these, it will make it hollow, which is a pretty cool thing to do. So we're going to do / H sphere, and we're going to add some glowstone around us. And after you place or put the block that you want to place in there, you're going to want to do the radius after that. As you can see here, we did a 5 radius and we got some glowstone. Now we're able to see it places wherever you are based out of, wherever you are stationed at. So there's no wand really necessary for this. Let's go ahead and make an awesome pyramid. I'm currently on my AZMC server, so it shouldn't lag out, but we'll see how far we can go out. You can also set heights, I'm pretty sure, to the pyramid, but we're not going to go that into depth. I wanted to get into some basics here. And then some other commands, just some teleportation commands that are pretty cool with worldedit is also the /through command, which teleports you through any block and takes you to the next, basically like stationary block below, as well as the jump to command, which is basically like just using a basic compass. And you can also use a compass for these commands as well, which I don't suggest doing because it's very confusing. It's just a bunch of slash jump to. It's basically binding the command slash jump to a compass. And then as well as the up command. This is very helpful if you're building in a flat world or creative in general and you want to go up a certain block. You do slash up 20. It's going to take you up the exact amount of blocks wherever you were standing and place a glass block below you. This is a very easy command to use. And then another easy, basically teleportation command is the slash stuck command. So we're gonna get stuck here. Slash unstuck. So we are stuck here. I need to get stuck. Okay, I don't know how to get stuck besides placing a bunch of gravel around me. That is a little too much work. But anyways, as you can see, the slash unstuck will get you unstuck if you randomly teleport into a bunch of blocks randomly. The slash unstuck is very helpful as well. I am not going to be getting into the brush tools effects on here because I am not that good at them, but I wanted to show you guys some of these basic commands as well. The last thing I want to get into that's very confusing, kind of confusing, you need to be on a server to be doing this. I am not sure if it works in single player mod mode, but is a schematics command. Basically, if you want to save something to your world, you're going to want to highlight whatever you want to highlight, whatever build you want to save. And this is if you want to teleport it to another world or just save it in your back files to use later. You're going to be basically selecting your area and then typing slash schematic. The schematic will tell you what you want to do. You're going to want to save it first before you do anything else. So we're going to save it, and then you're going to want to give it a name, and this is just going to be test. So now if we go to schematic list, it's going to show test.schematic without the attic at the end. Anyways, to find this file, it's going to be in your world edit folder on your Minecraft server under schematics. The schematics folder is not automatically made on a server. You're going to have to make a schematic before that folder is made. I'm not sure if you can randomly just create a new folder. It'll automatically save it there for you or have that folder for you, but I highly suggest making a schematic before you do any editing or transferring of a schematic on a server so you have that folder there. But anyways, now we have that test.schematic there. We're going to go ahead and log out and then rejoin the Minecraft server. And as you can see here, we have no slash. Oh, we do have a slash paste. Okay, that was interesting. Anyways, now we can do slash schematic load test.schem, and now it'll load in. And now if we do slash paste, it'll paste whatever schematic you saved. So I did that wrong actually. When I did that selection, you're going to want to do slash copy before you type the schematic save name. So we'll do that again, slash schematic save on this after we do slash copy. Schematic save village. Now we do slash paste. It automatically pasted it where we were standing. And there you go. You can see this ugly little village hut that I just pasted. Anyways, I like to keep this video simple. If you guys have any other plugins that you guys like me to do tutorials on, I've owned a Minecraft server in the past. I am pretty understanding of how a lot of Minecraft plugins work. I plan on doing a lot more videos of this as the 1.16 update is pretty much coming to an end, and I don't have much videos to make on that. There's still a lot of tutorial videos to be made, but I wanted to switch it up here and do a little plugin tutorial. I plan on also doing a speed run here soon with the face cam. It's been a while since I've used my face cam because I've been busy doing all of these awesome tutorial videos. And as I said at the beginning of the video, please leave a like on this video. Let's get this video to 20 likes. And that is it for this tutorial, and I will see you guys later.